Not bad. Still chasing two. Come on, let's have an inning. Hey, right here. Right here. Let's get it going. Let's get it started. Let's go, you two. Handle like black feet. Go, JB. Go, Amber.
Come on, Amber. We got it right here. 2-1.
Gonna start it, kid.
Right, yeah.
You're right there.
Right.
You got it, 2-1.
Yep, there you go. More pitch.
You got it, babe. Come on, Maddie.
Let's go, 6.
Hey, ready, kid, you got it. Come on, Maddie. Come on, babe, all you. Maddie. Hey, right here. Come on, Maddie, let's go, babe. Hey, let's go, kid, you got it.
Good spot.
Let's go, Maddie. What do you say, 6?
Come on, Maddie. Hey, ready, Evan? Go, Maddie.
There you go.
Come on, babe. Come on. Hey, what are you on that, kid?
Wake you up a little bit more.
Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. You got it right here. Hey, let's go, babe. Good on. Babe, it works, babe. Halfway.
Let's go, 6. Here we go, kid.
Come on, Maddie.
Come on, Maddie, you got it right here.
Hey, on you, babe.
Hey, defense. Let's go now. You want her in? You want Cuban in? Pitching? Maddie, you're in. So Dan, you want me to take it now? Yeah, I'll do the. You want to do the tracking? Maybe it helps Dan if I get us the right sheets.
Or Megan.
You got your sheet? I do. I need that one. Just so you know. And then you go up there. Look good. Yeah, he's got it. What number take it? Sorry. 011. 011. We all right? Abby, you okay?
Yeah, it
Good.
was a close game. Yes, it was.
023. 023. Zero, 3-3. 0-3-3. There you go. Gotta get there, gotta get there, gotta get there. Hell, you gotta drop your goal.
She has that same
1-3-1.
344, 344.
So the girls that play with me, babies and married is crazy to me, you know? Yes, I would. Yep.
4-2-2.
Here we go, Meg.
4-2-2.
You're around here.
Come on, man. Come on. Go!
Send it out there.
0-2-3, 0-2-3. Nice pitch.
Good, man. Good.
Good job, Maddie.
Come on, Meg.
5-3-1, 5-3-1.
That's good. That works. That works, Meg. That works.
Good job, Maddie. Got one.
Way to move her, way to move her.
One, 3-2, 1-3-2.
Come on, Lex. Do it.
Good start. Good job, Maddie.
Midfield.
2-3-3. 2-3-3.
Pop it out there.
Nice shot. Hey, nice pitch, Maddie.
Here we go, 6-2. That tricked her. That pitch tricked her.
5-2-1, 5-2-1.
There we go. Good girl. Come on, Ellie.
1-3-1.
355. 355.
1-3-1.
Oh my God, Bree, before I drink my coffee, it hits this post to foul ball. I almost threw the whole thing.
0-2-1.
This is kind of a crazy spot to be sitting. Yep.
Great
It's like I
shot.
always laugh at those people when you're at the, watching on TV the Brewer game or whatever, and they hit it, and you're like, yeah, never laughing at you.
No, never.
Never.
2-3-3.
Yeah, everybody's like this, and then you laugh. Like, I know, it's just your body. It's a reflex to do that.
Good, good. Good, Amber, good.
4-2-3. 4-2-3. Good spot.
Come on, get there, get there.
Yeah! Hey, let's go hit! Let's go hit!
Let's go. Fire it up. Let's go.
Hey, good work. Hey, we're still chasing. We got a hit, guys. Let's go. Listen, come here for a sec. Hey, come here for a second.
Hey, Scott. You got 4-1.
I filled the water jugs, yes.
You said 2-3. So like, do I tried like home comments.
Allison, Mel, nice turn.
I'm stealing this stuff, okay? I ain't got no.
Scott, bottom of 4 or 5? Thank you.
Hey, let's go, Mo. You got a hit.
Took my butt.
Hey, let's go, Mom.
You usually stand.
Huh?
You usually stand.
All right, so you're gonna bring it back, right?
Come on, baby. Hey, get you sugar and with the
Hey, right here, right here. Hey, out of your hole.
Dave, you're in the hole, right? That's good. That's it. Get there. Good play. Nice play, second. Hey, she had to make a good play or else you're staying there first. Throw some dirt at it. Rub a little dirt on it.
Let's go, Abs. Come on, Abs.
There you go. Hey, smart swing.
Let's go, 9. You got
What do you say, 9?
Oh, my, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Hey, you got it, Abby. Come on, Niners. Hey, come on, Hey, you got it, Abs. Stay in there, babe. All you. Let's go, Abby. You got it, baby. Come on.
Nice. Good work. There you go, 9. Go, gotta go. Way to battle.
Stay in there, nice and hard. They know you can, 9. Hey, Ellie, sis.
Oh.
Hey, good battle, babe.
Hey, you rolled off the front of the pitch. Yeah, I thought it was. Here we go, Abe. Pick us up with 2 here, kid. You got this now? Good eye. Go drive the ball 1. What do you say, kid? What do you say, 1? Here we go now. Gotta watch your hand now. Here we go. Quick to the ball, kid. What do you say? All right, get that. Here we go. Hey, you gotta play D. You gotta be quick. We need another at bat.
Wait, I'm already here. In case you're in there.
My dad used to say if I'm not in there, it's a good day.
Abby, good work.
I just couldn't do it.
Abby, you doing okay back there?
Come on, Grace. Let's start us off, Dad. Come on.
Yeah, right. 0-1-1. Good start. Hey, good start. 2-2-2. Great rotation. Nice job. Good work, Maddie. There you go, Cubes. Abby. Here we go. 2-3-1. One, two, one. 1-2-1. Zero, 3-1. 0-3-1. Three.
Like, I didn't just move, I did this even with my hands.
0-2-2. 0-2-2.
I was right at it.
Hey, first base. Mel, heads up here. Yes, pitch. Nice pitch.
Come on.
Great pitch, Maddie. 5-2-3. 5-2-3.
Go, Morgan.
2-1-2. 2-1-2. Nice pitch, Maddie. One, 1-1-1. Zero, 1-1.
Nice. In there, yeah.
Oh, run away!
Keep it going.
Run away!
No, Rocks are in play. It's starting to fail. 0-3-1, 0-3-1. Nice start. Two, 3-3, 2-3-3. Coming.
No.
Nice job. What's called, Blue?
He hasn't, she couldn't touch the plate.
Blue, what was called? Blue.
Touch it.
Get the ball.
Safe. Good umpire, Blue. Never take her, never touch the plate.
Kenny, are you okay? Here we go, Kenny.
You all right, man?
Over the top of it.
Yes.
0-1-3, 0-1-3.
She didn't touch her. Yeah. He was waiting. Yeah. So that's it's like he touched the plate. She went in the plate. The tape like missed her.
2-3-2, 2-3-2.
That's how you do it. You gotta wait it out.
Nice stop.
Got that way to work.
0-3-1, 0-3-1. Five, 2-3. Good spot. Good job, Allison. Hey, you got two. Yeah. Two down.
Okay, G, come on.
Hey, 2 down, we're stacking our play at 1, right? Let's go.
5-3-3. Good start. Good job, Maddie. 1-2-1.
Doesn't have to walk into it, though.
Good.
4-1-2, 4-1-2. Nice job. All right, let's go. Got a hit here, guys. Got a hit. Sure. Any signs?
Yes, I have to go. I've been waiting.
Guys, who's up?
Well, you gotta have fun with her.
Oh, yeah, we got one.
It's a giant ball. If it was a small spider, I would have been fine with it. It was like that big. I was fine with the grass. I bet he'd be
Hey, what do you say, twos? Let's go. Hey, finish strong.
Hey, you got it, KJ. Let's get it started, babe. You got KJ. Come on, KJ. Right here, too. You got it right here, KJ. Hey, that's not you, KJ. Hey, you see us, baby. Hey, you got it? You got it, KJ. You got it. Right here, KJ.
Do we have other people here?
Things are going well.
Pitcher, nice game.
But it's like 14 for 10 weeks, so.
It's over.
Yep. And you can barely see it. I mean, you can barely see it. Okay. But now it's just a matter of time. I've never done something.
Yeah, we just stay.
Oh, I don't know what's going on either. So, yeah.
I'm definitely not taking this thing.
Yeah, ditto. So, I did the rake and water.
You guys need help.
You go sit down, relax. It's okay. I'm okay. We need instructions.
I don't know. You can basically not listen.
Listen, Chris.
Want me to do the chalk?
Sure. My ankle, yeah. This thing?
Box.
Yeah.
That rake is garbage.
Oh, okay.
I expected that really heavy.